Did you know peacocks use their feathers to attract mates? These vibrant feathers are not just for show, they play a crucial role in courtship rituals. Their stunning displays are all about impressing the ladies. The more eye-catching the display, the better their chances of finding a mate. But that's not all. Peacocks can fly despite their heavy tails, which might seem surprising given their size and weight, and their calls can be heard up to 5 miles away, making them one of the loudest birds in the animal kingdom. Interestingly, the term peacock actually refers only to males. Females are called peahens. Together they are known as peafowl.